Hey there, QuickBooks enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your accounting life easier. Today, we're tackling how to post ACH payments in QuickBooks for 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. ACH payments, or automated clearinghouse payments, are a secure and efficient way to handle electronic transfers directly from your bank account. They're especially useful for businesses in 2025, with QuickBooks' updated interface making the process smoother than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. If you're using the 2025 version, you'll notice a more intuitive dashboard. Head over to the Banking tab and select Transactions or Payments. This is where the magic happens. Next, go to Add Payment and choose ACH from the payment method options. QuickBooks might prompt you to verify your bank details, so double-check that everything is up to date to avoid any hiccups. Now, enter the payment details. Include the recipient's name, account number, routing number, and the amount. Don't forget to add a memo or reference for your records. It's a game changer for tracking. Once everything looks good, hit Post Payment. QuickBooks will process this electronically, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Pro tip: always review your transactions in the Reconcile section to ensure everything matches your bank statement. This step is crucial to catch any errors early. One common issue in 2025's update is compatibility with certain banks, so if you run into problems, check for any software updates or contact QuickBooks support. Overall, posting ACH payments saves time and reduces paperwork, perfect for growing businesses. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to post ACH payments in QuickBooks for 2025. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay efficient.